Did you know the many benefits of castor oil? This humble oil, hailing from the seeds of the Ricinus communis plant, boasts a rich history. From its early use in ancient Egypt, where it was prized for its therapeutic properties, to its widespread utilization in modern times, castor oil is truly a marvel. Whether for health, beauty, or general well-being, this versatile oil has carved out an indispensable niche in our lives. Now let's dive into the various uses of this liquid gold. Firstly, castor oil is a powerful laxative. A nature's gift, this oil has been used for centuries to assist digestion and promote regular bowel movements. When consumed, the fatty acids in castor oil get to work in your intestines, stimulating the muscles that push material through your digestive tract. This action helps clear out blockages, easing discomfort, and supporting a healthy digestive system. Moving on, let's delve into how this oil can be a source of relief for those suffering from joint pain and arthritis. Castor oil has anti-inflammatory properties thanks to a unique compound called ricinoleic acid. When applied topically to the affected area, it penetrates the skin and tissues, reducing inflammation and soothing pain. So if you're battling arthritis or just nursing a sprained ankle, reach out for that bottle of castor oil. But the magic of castor oil doesn't end here. It's also a trusted ally in wound healing. The same ricinoleic acid that helps with inflammation also has antimicrobial properties. This means it can protect wounds from bacterial infections, creating a safe environment for your body to repair itself. Moreover, the oil promotes tissue growth, forming a barrier between the wound and the environment, reducing the risk of further complications. And if you're worried about scarring, fear not. Castor oil is known for its ability to reduce and soften scars over time, thanks to its ability to penetrate deep into the skin and stimulate the production of collagen and elastin, the proteins responsible for skin strength and elasticity. So, whether it's aiding digestion, soothing aching joints, or accelerating wound healing, castor oil is a versatile and potent natural remedy. It's an unassuming bottle that packs a punch, ready to support your health in more ways than one. But the health benefits don't stop there. The next chapter in our exploration of castor oil unveils its beauty benefits. So stay tuned, because this humble oil has a lot more to offer. Castor oil is a secret weapon in many beauty routines. You see, this oil is not just a boon for your health, it's an absolute gem for your beauty regime too. Let's embark on a journey to uncover how castor oil can be your beauty best friend. Imagine a natural skin moisturizer that penetrates deep into your skin, replenishing it with essential nutrients and keeping it hydrated. That's what castor oil does. It's an incredible moisturizer that leaves your skin soft, supple, and glowing, making it a popular ingredient in many skincare products. But the beauty benefits of castor oil don't stop at skin deep. This oil is also a potent hair growth stimulant. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, which improves blood circulation to your hair follicles, promoting stronger, healthier, and faster growing hair. Regular application of castor oil can give you those luscious locks you've always dreamed of. Even your scalp can reap the benefits of this miracle oil. Castor oil hydrates and nourishes your scalp, keeping it healthy and dandruff-free. It also helps balance the pH level of your scalp, promoting an optimal environment for hair growth. Now let's talk about makeup removal. Castor oil can gently and effectively remove even the most stubborn of makeup, all while nourishing your skin. It's a two-in-one solution that cleanses and moisturizes. You've probably heard about the trend of using castor oil for eyelash and eyebrow growth. The oil's nutrient-rich profile boosts the growth of thicker, longer, and more defined lashes and brows. And if you're looking to enhance your skin's elasticity, look no further. Regular application of castor oil can make your skin more flexible and less prone to wrinkles. Lastly, castor oil is a champion in collagen production and scar healing. It penetrates your skin, stimulating collagen and elastin production, which helps soften and hydrate the skin. This process ultimately reduces the appearance of scars and smoothens the skin's surface. And yet, there's more to this versatile oil. Stay tuned to discover how castor oil can be an excellent addition to your massage routine and many other uses that make it a must-have in every household. Castor oil is not just a health and beauty powerhouse, it's also a fantastic massage oil. When it comes to relaxation, there's nothing like a soothing massage to ease tense muscles and promote a feeling of well-being. And what better way to enhance that experience than with the use of castor oil? Its thick, viscous texture makes it an excellent massage oil, providing a smooth glide that facilitates a deep therapeutic massage. But the benefits go beyond just the physical. Castor oil is rich in ricinoleic acid, a monounsaturated fatty acid that helps moisturize the skin. keeping it soft and supple. This is particularly beneficial in a massage setting, where the oil can be absorbed into the skin, providing hydration while also facilitating the release of muscle tension. And the wonders of castor oil don't stop there. Did you know that it has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its healing properties? Its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties make it an excellent choice for treating small wounds and minor skin infections. Simply apply a small amount of the oil to the affected area and let it work its magic. In addition to these uses, castor oil can also be used as an effective makeup remover. Its oil-based composition helps dissolve even stubborn waterproof makeup, and its hydrating properties ensure that your skin is left feeling soft and moisturized, and not stripped of its natural oils. For those of you with a green thumb, castor oil also has its place in the garden. It's a natural, non-toxic way to deter pests, like moles and voles, from your yard. A little bit of castor oil mixed with water and sprayed around your garden can do wonders in keeping these little critters at bay. So whether you're looking for a new addition to your beauty routine, a natural healing aid, a soothing massage oil, or even a pest deterrent for your garden, castor oil has got you covered. It's truly a versatile oil with a multitude of uses. So you might be wondering where you can get this amazing oil. We recommend Handcraft Blend's organic castor oil. This particular brand of castor oil stands apart due to its commitment to purity and organic sourcing. Handcraft Blends ensures that their castor oil is 100% pure, unrefined, and free of any harmful additives. This means that every drop you use is packed with the full power of the castor plant, providing you with maximum benefits. The oil is also USDA certified organic, which means that it's sourced from castor plants that are grown without the use of synthetic fertilizers or pesticides. This not only makes it better for you, but also for the environment. Handcraft Blend's organic castor oil is cold-pressed, preserving all of the beneficial nutrients and healing properties of the oil. This makes it an excellent choice for skin and hair health, aiding in moisture retention, promoting hair growth, and enhancing skin elasticity. Additionally, this castor oil is bottled in dark amber bottles, which protects the oil from light and heat damage, ensuring that you always get the freshest, highest quality oil possible. For those seeking relief from joint and arthritis pain, wound healing, or desiring a natural makeup remover, this oil is versatile and effective. It's also a fantastic choice for massage oil, thanks to its rich texture and hydrating properties. For your convenience, we've provided a link in the description that will take you directly to this exceptional product. Now you're all set to reap the benefits of castor oil. We hope you found this video informative and enlightening. Enriching your knowledge about the wonders of castor oil was a delightful journey. If you're inclined towards expanding your understanding about such intriguing topics, do consider subscribing to our channel. We consistently craft educational content that's designed to illuminate and inspire. Remember, a wealth of knowledge is just a click away. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and stay tuned for our next video. Until then, stay healthy and keep glowing. Keep